Okay, how to create an action 101. First thing you want to do is make sure that your actions are not in button mode. This is button mode, so I'm going to turn off button mode. I'm going to go down and hit the new action icon, give it a name, test 3. Give it a color if you want, if you're anal like me. Hit record. And now everything that you do is going to be recorded in that action. So the first thing I'm going to do is duplicate my layer. I'm going to go to Silver Effects and open that up. It's going to take a second to open. All right, I'm going to select high structure, smooth, because why not? I can make whatever adjustments I want here before I close out the window, and then I'm going to hit OK. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and change, whoops, got to be patient. Wait for it. There we go. Now I'm going to change this to luminosity. Okay, and I'm going to hit stop. Now I have that action recorded. It's right down here. Okay, and I'm going to switch back to button mode. And if I scroll down, you can see it right here. I'm going to delete what I did just to make sure that it works and run the action. Okay, it does take a second, so be patient. Boom, there it is. Now, if I wanted to run that exact action on every image, which actually that looks pretty good, but I'm not going to do it. If I wanted to run it on all the images that I have open, now all I have to do is go to File, Automate, Batch, and in my action set, by the way, if you don't know what action set you're in, go back up here, turn off button mode, and you'll see the title folder where all your actions are saved. So when you import a set of actions, it puts it in its own little folder here. Like, for example, I've got Audrey Woolard's. These are all just the ones that I've created or moved into what I call my main set. So back at it. File, Automate, Batch. Make sure I'm in the right action set. And I'm going to run test 3. And then I would hit, make sure it's on opened files, stop for errors, destination none. If you choose a destination, it's going to save your images. So you just want it to run the action and then leave all the images open. So just make sure that says none. And then hit OK. And while I didn't want that to happen, I hit it anyway, so now it's going to run across 12. So that is how you do that. If you wanted to, well, I'll save image processing for another video. There you go.